Today I'm going to share with you an interesting coin on the subject of space mining. It was issued in 2018 by the Warsaw Mint in Poland, one of the great mints. It's got an actual meteorite in it. It's called a chondrite, which is a non-metallic meteorite. It looks like they're suggesting that there's gold being mined on this asteroid as well, which is cool. It's a 1 ounce 3/9 pure silver coin, mintage of 666, and it's been antiqued to give it this interesting contrasting patinas, and it's got some relief to it. And of course the meteor itself is pretty cool. There's thousands of these little meteors that have been collected. It comes in this gorgeous golden wooden box, and it has, of course, a certificate of authenticity. Comes in this awesome cover box. But the coin itself is spectacular, really. There's so much detail to study. It has this massive space station, very realistic, and it has all these other orbiting satellites and rocket ship capsules, and maybe that's a nuclear reactor out there, and space base here on the corner, and robots doing some of the hard work here. And although doubts about space mining is very high, eventually it will be a reality. While industrial activities in space are severely limited to issues mostly financial, and then like challenges like orbital refueling issues, international property rights, the pure physics of space like radiation from the sun and the cosmos, which threaten electronics and human health. But there are solutions like 3D printing for base construction, AI to run robots, even nuclear-powered reactors to provide large amounts of energy for operations, motives like space-based solar power, and unique products like helium-3 are particularly promising. You know who is on the other side, but it looks like it's on an asteroid. The periphery is like maybe a meteor or asteroid. Pretty cool. Last year, NASA awarded 4 contracts to different companies to extract small amounts of the lunar surface by 2024. So thereby effectively beginning the era of commercial-based space mining. Whether it provides to be successful remains to be seen, but visionaries include Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Brandon pushing the envelope. And the space sector has a market capitalization of $400 billion and could grow as much as $1 trillion by 2040 by the private sector. The primary governing treaty for international space laws, called the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, pretty outdated, but it prohibits the appropriation of any celestial body like the moon or asteroids to individual nations. Whether space mining is allowed under the treaty remains highly contentious. Drafted at the height of the Cold War, the law recognized the rights of U.S. residents to own materials gathered in outer space, like this meteor here, but does not claim U.S. or private ownership of celestial bodies themselves. So we do live in interesting times, and numismatics like this document such phases.